Welcome to Elite Home Tour. Today, I am excited to take you on a tour of this stunning modern home, where you'll get to see the latest trends in interior design. From sleek lines to luxurious finishes, this property has it all. Whether you're looking for inspiration for your own home renovation or just want to indulge in some luxury real estate eye candy, we've got you covered. At Elite Home Tour, we're passionate about showcasing the most beautiful and modern homes from around the world. From cutting-edge architecture to stylish interior design, we'll take you on a journey through the most stunning properties out there. So be sure to subscribe to our channel for more luxury home tours, modern interiors. Thanks for watching. See you on the next tour.